There was a time when if you wanted great photos, there was only one answer, a DSLR. But now, your phone can take shots that sometimes look even better than a big professional camera. So what happened? Did smartphones actually beat DSLRs? DSLRs have one big advantage, larger sensors, and that usually means better image quality. But smartphones can't just increase sensor size because of physical limitations. So instead, they took a different path, computation. This is the biggest game changer. Smartphones don't just take a single photo anymore. They capture multiple images at once and combine them into one final result. That's how you get features like HDR for balanced highlights and shadows, night mode for bright low-light shots, AI-enhanced detail and sharpness. Modern smartphones use AI to reduce noise, sharpen details, adjust colors based on the scene, even simulate depth of field like expensive lenses. The result? Photos that look polished without manual editing. DSLRs rely heavily on physical hardware, sensors and lenses. Smartphones rely on image processing chips, machine learning, real-time algorithms. So it's no longer just about who has the bigger camera, it's about who processes the image better. The same shift is happening in video. Smartphones now offer 4K video with built-in stabilization, cinematic mode with depth effects, automatic subject tracking. Things that once required expensive gear now fit in your pocket. That said, DSLRs still dominate in key areas: full manual control, extreme low light performance, interchangeable high-end lenses. So smartphones haven't completely replaced them. Smartphones didn't really beat DSLRs. They just changed the game from who has the best hardware to who has the smartest software.